Hi users of Apple iPhone. Today in this video I will show you some interesting and useful tips for your Apple device. To see more useful and interesting videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. First tip what I will show you in this video is screen recording. This is a very useful and interesting tip for iPhone. For this we must open Control Center and we must click this. And iPhone started screen recording. And if we want to stop screen recording, we must again open Control Center on iPhone and we must click again this. And it's done, screen recording is done. And if we want to see what we recorded, we must close Control Center and we must open Photos on iPhone. And here is it. This is what we recorded. Next tip is a dark mode for iPhone. I love this tip very much. To open these settings and to turn on dark mode, we must open settings on iPhone. Then we must click display and brightness and we must click dark. We click dark and here is it. Your iPhone is on the dark mode. This is a very cool tip for your iPhone and for your eyes. We can turn it off from settings and also we can turn it off from Control Center on iPhone. We must open Control Center. I will show you how to add their dark mode. We open settings again and we search their Control Center. Here is it. We must open this and we must add dark mode. We must add this. We click this and dark mode added. And when we open Control Center, dark mode is there. And we can turn on dark mode and we can turn off dark mode. Next tip for iPhone is that if we need something beautiful to highlight, we take screenshot on iPhone, we open screenshot and we draw something beautiful. For example, I will draw heart shape and we hold finger and it's correct herself. And this heart is in a very good shape. Next tip is allow battery mode. This is a very useful tip too and it saves your iPhone battery. For this we must open settings, then we must open battery and here is it. We must turn on this option, low power mode. And here is it. It's turned on. And if you want to save your battery, we must turn on these settings on your iPhone. And this is a very useful tip too for your iPhone. I will show you last tip for your iPhone. If we want to screenshot all website and we don't want to take many screenshots, we open Safari, we take one screenshot, then we click full page, and here's it. In one screenshot we have all website. To see more useful and interesting videos, subscribe my YouTube channel.